Whew, what's up, y'all? Got some tar paper coming off my roof again. This piece up. That's not what I come out to talk about. I come out to talk about this smoke. It's so thick out here. I got on a bandana with water on it. You can see my panels are barely getting any sun. You can barely see the sun up there. There's mountains back there. You can't even see them. It's super thick out here today. You can smell the smoke. It's concerning when you smell the smoke that thick, you know, to get that close to the fire. But really, we're about 2 hours from this. It's called an East Fork fire. We're about 2 hours from here, but the wind's kicked up a lot today, and it's brought a lot of it in. It's pretty thick through here. Even back there, there's mountains back there. That's where I like to take my sunset picture. Oh, it's super thick out here today. And 48 hours from now, or not even, they say 36 hours from now, right here where we're expecting 7 inches of snow. High of 93 degrees today. Can you believe that? High of 93 degrees today, and it's supposed to snow in 36 hours. Oh, I'm not ready for it. But it's Colorado, so I know it can happen. But yeah, and I really wanted to point out the thickness of the smoke out here today. And not that I really want snow, but I definitely welcome the precipitation. I know, Kitty. So anyway, I'm taking my dogs and cats here by the end now and put some curtains up, and I'm gonna spray them down with water. Try to keep a lot of this smoke out of there. So what I was trying to say was, it smells like a Christmas tree burning. If you've ever smelled a Christmas tree burn, that's what it smells like out here today. Can't even see the sky. Can't see any surrounding mountains. It's pretty thick out here. I'm going back in. Alright, first thing in the morning. It's 38 degrees and drizzling. It's been drizzling all night long. Not really raining yet. Drizzling. So, weather's here. It's getting colder and colder. What's up, everybody? So it's starting to snow. It's exactly 24 hours from when I was standing here, and it was 93 degrees. And right now, I think it's I don't know. Last time I checked, it was 37. I think. Weather hadn't changed as far as temperature all day, and it's kind of done this light drizzle, snow, kind of like this all day. But it's supposed to pick up. Definitely haven't gotten 7 inches, but I guess it's supposed to keep picking up snow through the night. We'll see what happens. Alright, y'all, it's about 36 hours from my first video when it was 93 degrees and the smoke was so thick, it smelled like I was standing beside a pile of Christmas trees burning. My throat was burning. It was so thick and smoke out here the other day. And look at this. From 93 degrees 36 hours ago, 93 degrees. And it's 28 when I got up this morning, and at least 5-6 inches of snow. This is ridiculous. I mean, y'all, this is something else. What's up, y'all? I'm out here putting bird seed in the feeders. I forgot my glasses, but there's snow in the feeders and ice. Make sure I'm getting a video of this. Yeah, see, there's snow and ice in the feeders. Come on, get the snow out of it. Oh man, it's all packed in there. It's wet because it rained so much yesterday. There have been hummingbirds out here and birds out here all day. Look at the hummers. Oh, I got theirs. I took theirs in and put it over the heat to thaw it out. Oh, oh man, that worked. All right, guys. Let me check this. still thawed out good. Whew, I can barely see out here. I forgot my glasses. Get, no, get out of there. Go on, keep going.